Reflection by spherical mirrors. Now, we are all probably familiar with plane mirrors. These are mirrors that we see in our bathrooms, for example. You wake up in the morning and you go to the bathroom to brush your teeth, and what you probably see is a plane mirror in front of you. And that is called plane because the surface is flat. And in physics, we normally draw a side-on view. A side-on view, if you're looking at this mirror from the side, it would just appear as a straight line. Sometimes also this is where you're looking at from this side. And sometimes also to show that the other side is not allowing the rays of light to pass through, you see some sort of shading or hatching that is done. And that just shows that the rays of light coming onto this surface are not passing through, they are actually getting reflected back. There are other kinds of mirrors whose surfaces are not flat, they're curved. If you think of a spoon, for example, let's take a spoon, let's draw a spoon here, and let's say you're looking at it from this side, you're looking at the inside of the spoon, and this is think of it as a metal spoon, one made out of steel, which has a reflective surface. And you'd probably see a reflection of yourself, of your face, maybe a distorted one, nevertheless a reflection of your face in the inside of the spoon. And if you were to hold the spoon the other way, and you're still looking at it from this side, again you would see some sort of a reflection of your own self or of your own face coming off from the outside of the surface. And so if you look at, in this case, your reflection is coming off from the inside that I'm highlighting here in blue, and in the other case, the one on the right, your reflection is coming from the outside, the one I'm highlighting here in green, the outside. So if I were to draw these two surfaces from a side-on view, just like I did for the plane mirror, the plane mirror appears as a straight line. In this case, you'd see a curved surface if you look at the spoon sideways. And the one on the right is appearing that way. In both cases, our observer is on the left. So when the reflecting surface is curving inwards towards you, it's called a concave reflecting surface. And when the reflecting surface is curving outwards away from you, like here, it is called a convex reflecting surface. One easy way to remember this is if the edges of the reflecting surface are flexing out. It sort of rhymes with convex, flex, convex. So if it's flexing out, then it's a convex mirror or convex reflecting surface. And if the edges of the reflecting surface are caving in, then it is a concave. So the edges are caving in. That's one way to remember concave and convex. Let's think of some examples of concave and convex reflecting surfaces we might have come across in real life. A torchlight. Now, if you look at the reflecting surface in a torchlight, the surface that is around the bulb, it's caved in. It's a concave mirror. Also, handheld magnifying mirrors, sometimes seen in makeup kits, sometimes used for shaving. They show you an enlarged image of your face, certain details of your face, for example. And these are concave mirrors. If you look at rear view mirrors in a car, these are convex mirrors.